A lot of people have been making good amount of money from this website called Project Hope, and that is why I want to make this video to give my review. On social media, I've seen a lot of people that have made very good amount of money every day, like 20,000, 30,000 and upward, and it is legit because these persons are trustworthy and they have actually gotten the lot into their account. Now, this website actually pays. Yes, it pays. The good thing is that it does not require any investment. So you don't need to send, you don't need to pay any amount. It is not an investment platform so far. And that is why I want to actually get into it to see all the checks or if it is real. To register on the website, you need a referral link. So check the description of this video for the accurate link to use in your registration. So the first thing you need to do is to put in your email. Alright, when you type your email, don't put at gmail.com. The ending part of the email, do not put it. For example, if your email address is my email at gmail.com, so just type my email, then you can see that they have already added at gmail.com. If your email provider is not Gmail, you can simply click here and choose any email provider that you use. You can see there are different ones here: Yahoo Mail, Outlook.com, Protonmail.com. So anyone that you are using, just select them and continue. Then you need to enter your national identity number, your NIN. Put your NIN here. So just type in your NIN, and that is what you are going to be using to run your registration. Then next one is your phone number. You need to type in your phone number and receive code. So once you type your phone number, you click on send code. After typing your phone number, send code will be activated. You can click on send code. A code will be sent to your phone number. You can use the code to complete your registration. And then after that, you can choose your password, confirm your password, and this code is required. So make sure that this code is automatically filled. If it is not filled, this is the code displaying on your screen now. Use this code to enter. And then for this captcha, you need to type in the number that is displayed here. Type in the exact numbers here, and then you can click on register to continue. When all of that is done, you can log in. Once you've done everything and you log in, this is the page you're going to see. So from their homepage here, it's as if this is a blog or a website, and they are using this means to push it out, because a lot of people will actually register and they could make money from AdSense or other means. Now, if you register and you log in, you need to click on sign in. All right. Once you click on sign in every day to get 200 naira. For every 5 days consecutively, you get 500 bonus. Sign in for 10 days consecutively, you also get 1,000. So the more days you sign in, the more reward you're going to be getting. So for the very first time that you have signed in, I just click on sign in immediately, and you can see that I've gotten 200 naira for the day. All right, completed. So I need to come in the next day to get another reward. Now let us check out other parts for this website. If you click on mine here, which is this angle here, when you click here, you are going to see where you're going to put in your withdrawal method. Now, this is how much you have gotten, which is 200 naira. I've gotten 200 naira. More days you log in, more reward you're going to get. Then you can come to payee method. This is where you come to fill in your bank details. Let's check that out. If I click on payee method, then select bank, OPay and PalmPay. These are the two banks you can use to withdraw your money. Then anyone you want to choose, PalmPay or OPay, you put it here. You type in your full name, exactly the same name that is linked to your account, and then you type in your bank account. Then once all of that is done, you click on submit at the bottom here. So once you click on submit, that will be submitted. Now, other ways of earning here is through referral. If you cannot wait to use daily login to get all the amounts that you need, click on copy here to copy your referral link and share with your friends. Now, this is still a very new platform, so not a lot of persons know about it. If you need pictures that can help you for marketing, a lot of alerts like the ones I am using here, you can see all these ones. These are the ones that people have posted. You can contact me and I will send them to you. You can share with others. Once you get to 20,000 naira, you can withdraw and it is sent to your account, to your PalmPay or to your OPay. So copy your link and share with your friends. Then make sure that they use this code. They need the code to register. So you are also going to use this code when making your registration. Please make sure you use this code. It is required for registration. So I think that is all. Let us check authentication. For authentication, you don't need to authenticate anything. Alright, you don't put your BVN, and remember that you are not making any registration. You are not paying any dime. You are not making any payment. Don't send money to anybody. Try this just free of charge. Make the money and withdraw. You are not paying anybody for this. Okay. So for welfare, if I check welfare, it seems they are also going to be introducing more programs, maybe small income loans or grants or things like that. So just register using the link in the description of this video. Make sure that the code there is correct. Don't edit the code. Then come to mine to put in your account number under the add payment section. Once that is done, click on agent, copy the link here and share with your friends. Now, if you register here and if I get to the withdrawal method, I'm also going to make another video to record if they actually pay me. So this is actually the review. Most important thing you should know is that it does not require investment. This is not an investment platform. It does not require investment. You don't need to put your BVN to register. Don't put your BVN. Use your OPay or PalmPay account to withdraw your funds. Alright. Now, if there's any question you have, ask me in the comment section. Do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. Alright. If there's any question, ask me. If there's anything you don't understand, ask me. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and let me know what you think about this platform.